morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator has transitioned into the neutral zone. Bitcoin has added 2.5% in the last two sessions. The ATR has receded into low volatility territory. The price of gold has fallen 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI collapsed into oversold territory. The price of crude oil has gained 1.1% in the last session. Stochastic has shifted sharply into positive territory.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Oil prices rise as upbeat industrial data out of China was offset by jitters over tensions between Washington and Beijing. The U.S. dollar may rise on haven demand as U.S.-China tensions grows over technology and intragovernmental friction. Some of Bitcoin's smaller rivals have made far bigger gains, one of which, Chainlink's Link token, has now added 120% to its price in the last month.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic event.
The UK construction output will be released at 400 GMT, the UK GDP at 400 GMT, the UK industrial production at 400 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 700 GMT, the US CPI at 1030 GMT, and the Japanese PPI at 2150 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.